city is the perfect destination for water sports enthusiasts. From surfing to paddleboarding, enjoy an action-packed day on the water while exploring the scenic views of the coastline. From Valencia, Montenegro's guided hike with natural pools. An hour's drive from Valencia, Montenegros offers an enchanting journey into nature. Embark on a guided hike, where breathtaking vistas await as you traverse the picturesque landscape. Ascend to the Coro, a magnificent waterfall that releases over 4,000 liters of water every minute, creating a mesmerizing display. Upon reaching the summit, immerse yourself in the natural pools, Fuentes de los Baños, believed to have been constructed by the Moorish king Abu Zayd to preserve the glory of his queens. These thermal baths maintain a comfortable 23 degrees C year-round, making them ideal for relaxation and overall well-being. Hike and swim in Montenegro's thermal springs. We depart from the vicinity of the city center in Valencia. Proceeding towards Montenegros, we shall enjoy a cup of coffee in this charming alpine-style town. Our hiking journey leads us through the stunning canyon of Maimona, where the route typically spans approximately 3.5 hours. Given the prevailing weather conditions, we may opt for an extended circuit around the canyon or undertake a shorter ascent to the summit's northern flank, thereby providing ample leisure at the thermal pools located within. Following our excursion, we shall indulge in a refreshing dip in the thermal pools of La Fuente de los Baños, regardless of the season. These natural baths maintain a constant temperature of 23 degrees C throughout the year. Please note that reservations for this tour should be made at least 3 days prior to the departure date. Should we not receive sufficient advance notice, the tour may become unavailable due to unforeseen circumstances. We are currently a newcomer on Get Your Guide but have successfully operated for several years, ensuring that our services align with customer expectations. From Valencia, Caves of San Jose guided excursion and ticket. Caves of San Jose, a must-visit excursion for Valencians. Embark on this unforgettable adventure through the breathtaking Caves of San Jose, one of Valencia's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. Depart from Valencia via bus towards the picturesque village of Valduixo, where these magnificent formations await. Upon arrival, your knowledgeable guide will lead you into the heart of the cave system, showcasing the longest navigable underground river in Europe, approximately 3,000 meters long. Step aboard a small boat, guided by your expert captain, to traverse the intricate network of tunnels and chambers. Marvel at the towering stalactites and stalagmites, each meticulously crafted over millennia. As you make your way along the winding river, take note of the UNESCO-listed cave paintings that adorn the walls, offering a glimpse into the ancient civilization that once thrived beneath the Earth's surface. After completing your underwater exploration, venture back onto solid ground. Continue your journey through the dry galleries, marveling at the sheer scale of the cave system. Your guide will provide invaluable insights into the site's rich history and fascinating curiosities, ensuring you gain a deeper appreciation for this remarkable geological masterpiece. Upon returning to Valencia, indulge in a leisurely 30-minute break in the scenic surroundings. Enjoy admiring local archaeological sites, savoring a cup of coffee, or browsing the charming souvenir shops before heading back to your accommodation. Throughout the experience, your dedicated guide, Valencia and Go, will be by your side, providing comprehensive knowledge about Valencia and uncovering the hidden treasures within the Caves of San Jose. This professional team ensures that every visitor leaves with a profound understanding of this captivating landscape. From Valencia, Espelio Kayak Experience in San Jose Cave. The Caves of San Jose, renowned for being the longest navigable underground river in Europe, offer visitors a truly mesmerizing natural gem, nestled within the Sierra de Espadon Natural Park. This immersive experience invites participants to venture deep beneath the earth, through the tranquil waters of these ancient chambers. Guided by a skilled expert, kayakers will traverse the mystical passages of the caves, discovering hidden alcoves and exploring uncharted territories that are inaccessible during conventional tours. Our team will transport you from Valencia to this captivating destination, ensuring a seamless transition between land and water. Upon arrival at the Caves of San Jose, guests will receive comprehensive orientation before embarking on their adventure, which spans approximately 2 hours. During this journey, kayakers will have the opportunity to swim amidst serene surroundings and engage in a once-in-a-lifetime exploration of the cave system's secrets. For those seeking unparalleled excitement, we invite you to embrace this extraordinary adventure. Valencia, catamaran cruise with sunset option. An expertly guided crew awaits you aboard a spacious catamaran, embarking upon a luxurious sailing expedition through the coastal waters surrounding Valencia. As the wind takes hold of the vessel's sails, you'll be swept across the shimmering surface of the Mediterranean Sea. Upon departure from the bustling docks in Valencia, you'll bask in the refreshing sea breezes while marveling at the stunning vistas that unfold before you. From this elevated position, you can captivatingly observe the city's renowned landmarks, including the captivating City of Arts, the historic Miquelete, and the vibrant skyline of Valencia. Should you opt for the enchanting option of witnessing the breathtaking sight of the setting sun, savor a serene evening with the gentle lapping of waves against the hull. In the twilight hours, indulge in a soothing soundtrack accompanied by a glass of exquisite cava, sparkling wine, as the sun gradually descends against the horizon, painting the ocean with hues of gold and orange. For those who wish to make their vacation even more memorable, Wednesday evenings from June to September 2023 offer a tranquil sunset cruise, where the rhythmic beats of a skilled DJ punctuate the evening ambience.